Go, Bri!
Run in pala.
We gotta run in
Pala mo.
from Mr. Send It.
Kuha, Bri, kuha. Bilis.
That was fast.
Ang bilis.
So by request of Sir Mike, opening. Welcome to PCP again, Sunday. Yeah, I know, same place, same channel, but different day, but different session. We have the dancing Ian. We have Brian and Mike, and yes, Serville. We have a new rider. Name is Sina.
Hello.
There you go. We'll check his bike later. But this morning we'll be doing a trail ride session at Trail 5. Let's roll! Yeah! Yeah, but nah, look at this way! Woo! It's a cloudy Sunday at PCP. Nice. That free wheel. A strong rider. And Mike, wow! Mike is climbing. Climb, Mike, climb.
Let's go.
Be careful, Sina. I'm sure you're careful because you have your complete gear.
Yeah.
Trail 5, we got Sina up front. I hope the GoPro is properly placed where it should be. Just stand up, bro. We'll follow Sina, then we'll do a second run. Nice. Keep left, keep left. There you go. Stay on the right. Whoa! Watch your brakes, watch your brakes. There we go. There, you can go down here. Oops, sorry. Session at Trail 5.
Anyone in our group or all anybody in the group would join. Hit the brake.
Sabi na yun, di ba?
He did brake. No, guys, taba.
We will be pulling Mike at Trail 5. Ready? Rider! Go! Tara, tara! Clear! We got Mike for the win! Pedal, 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 position, speed, give. Riders ready. Rider. Heavy. Rolling. Testing. Second try, trail 16. G. I'll follow you, Ayan. Rider, safe ride. Ako. No? Whee! Clear. So guys, we're here at Trail 16 PCP. We have Mr. Sendit going to the peak. He's going to hit this gap. This is a kicker going to a gap. Ayan, can you show them how wide is the gap?
How deep is your wide?
LOL! That is the gap.
2.5 bike.
See? 2%. See?
Okay. Oh.
Sina is a big one. Is a big guy. So, and one more from Kuya Will.
One arm length.
And this is the receiver. This is massive. Although it's clean, it's nice, this is still massive. So let's wait for Mr. Sendit to send it. Clear. Mr. Sendit sending it. Bike check. Giant Anthem X, large. This is from our new rider, Sina. So what do we got here? We have a Giant Anthem X, used, second hand, but he got it on a good deal. Size large, with the RockShox reverb, proper seat post. This is an entity saddle from Polygon. We have a Giant, original Giant stem, 100mm long. We have a Giant handlebars. We have an ODI Rips SLX brake set, SLX shifter. And we have a Fox. This is a Fox Evolution Series 4. It's a good deal. It has the hub for Giant, original hub. We got some Shimano calipers. So we have a Fox suspension. We have an NTT pedals, SLX front derailleur, and SLX crankset. This is a 2x9, but we do have a Dior XT RD. I'm not sure what is the cassette, but I think this is Shimano, and the chain most probably is a Shimano also. Schwalbe hands down rear, Schwalbe Magic Mary rear, Giant rims, original rims, and that's pretty much it, with a bottle cage, drinking bottle, and that's it. And there's a light in the middle of the day. There's a light in the middle of the day, so there's no darkness for you. There you have it, Giant Anthem from Sina. He's starting to learn. He has his gear ready, so he started riding trails. So we'll be seeing him more at PCP and other trails. So keep watching. Ready to roll out. Brian, you go first. Okay. This is too sketchy for me. Kaya mo ba, Mike? Babaan? Kaya mo? Etong isa?
Oo, isa kaya ko yan.
Sige, una ka na. Kaya mo babain naman to eh. Wait, rider down. Good. So, after lunch break, only 3 were left. Me, Ayan, and Kuya Will. Kuya Will is doing a session here at the tabletop. And he is progressing. Speed! Let's check him out. Nice. Shit! He's jumping. He is literally jumping. Good job. Kuya Will! A little bit of speed and he'll be there. Keep watching. Clear. Trail 16. Last 3. Kuya Will.
Last 3 remaining.
And Ayan.
Still kicking, baby.
Round 2 PCP. Trail 16.
Right, stay right.
Right safe. Right strong. Rider, roll in. Enjoy the fun. Rider! So we're done for the day. Kuya Will
Bye.
and Ayan
Okay, this
So-
too.
will be our project
Next week.
next week. Yeah.
Siguro dito landing mo niyan.
So guys, last 3 man standing.
And there you have it, guys. GoPro ran out of battery. So I'll be doing the closing here at home. Ride safe, ride strong. Pag hindi kaya, padyak chabi lang. Before I go, peace out. Watch this remaining clips of Roger. Keep watching and thank you. Bye.
Alright guys, so another gap jump at PCP. This is the one at the bottom of trail 15, the black line. That is a freaking gap. Let's see, someone's gonna hit it. Rider, clear! Here we go. Here!
Incoming!
Wow!
Whip it, baby, whip it.